How to download Spotify Music on Mac. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the App Store on your MacBook first and search for Spotify there. You will nowhere be able to find the official Spotify application there. So now close the App Store and open Google Chrome on your Mac. If you do not have Chrome on your Mac, open the default browser of Apple, that is Safari, and search for Google Chrome there. Click on this link and you will see the download button there. Click on that, and with this, Google Chrome will be downloaded on your Mac. Launch the app once downloaded. I already have Chrome on my Mac, so I will simply open it and search for Spotify here. Tap on the first link there and then click on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for more tools. Place your cursor there and you will see an option for create shortcut. In the pop-up that appears, click on create button there. You can add the app to your dock, your desktop, or simply go to Launchpad and you will see the Spotify application there. And with this, we have successfully downloaded Spotify Music on our MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.